Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so I'm back, and this time the SUDOTACK has sent me another karaoke machine, the KM-300. This has 4 drivers. It says 45 watts from what I've read. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm not a singer. I'm warning you beforehand, and I don't know if I'll do any songs, but at least we'll play with it. Okay, so let's open it up and let me pull these two together so I have something to put it on. SUDOTACK KM-300. Okay, it looks little manual they give you. I have not opened this up before, so this is the first time that I'm seeing it. And this comes with 2 microphones, which is great because when you're doing karaoke, you know, duets, you need 2 microphones. So good on SUDOTACK. All right, there it is. Nice little microphone. I'll get a close-up of it for you, but for now, this is what it looks like. And a second one right here. Very cool, very cool. You could do, I guess you could do stereo if you really wanted to, but either way, you get 2 for each person. 1 for each person. Very nice. You get a shoulder strap. Nice. This is portable, so that's great. It is a USB-C, rechargeable, and you have your 3.5 input jacks. You want to connect it to something else. Okay, here it is. Alrighty. Drum roll. If I can get it out. It's not coming. No, boy, here we go. Get it out. Good boy. I might turn it sideways. That does not want to come out that way. It has like a suction from the plastic. Oh, good. Okay. That's everything. Get that out of the way. SUDOTACK KM. It's like a little boombox. Very cool. Look at that. Ta-da! The SUDOTACK KM-300. That is cool. That is a cool looking little boom speaker, or I say boom box, but a little karaoke machine. Nice. Nice. Okay. And the strap, I'm going to put the strap on so we can get this undone. Yeah, I'm doing this with you guys, so bear with me. Sometimes these things are not. There we go. Got it off. Little strap here. We're going to clip it on. Come on. Let's see here. All right. This is not the best design. Hey, guys. Hey, SUDOTACK. You guys got to come up with a better design on this thing because it doesn't want to clip in there easily. There it goes. I guess it's not easy to put in, which means it's not easy to take off. All right. Oh, well, that's not so bad. I got used to it. Very cool. And this little spot here, I was reading a little bit on it. That's where you're going to put your phone. So where's my phone? Where's my phone? I got it right here. And then you put your phone like so. Very nice. Okay. So I'm going to go charge it up, and then I'll be back, and we're going to go over the details of this. Okay. Hold tight. Be right back. All right, guys, here we go. So let's close up with the microphone. It is all plastic, except for, of course, the metal on top here. I mean, it feels okay. I mean, it feels low budget. Don't get me wrong. It works perfectly fine. It sounds fine. It's just, you know, you can't expect a high-end microphone for a karaoke machine at this price point. Anyway, so first off, which is very nice, is it's a USB rechargeable right there. So USB-C makes it easy. Just plug it in. Your LEDs are right here, and if it's on red, that means it has less than 10% battery life. So if I turn it on or hold down the button for 2 seconds, the light pops on right there. Boom. So now you know that it's on. Do I have I wonder if I have it on. Hello. Hello there. There it goes. So as you see, it connects perfectly fine. Very quick to connect. So I'm going to turn it off for now. Well, I'll show you some features first off. So the first thing is this is your, I'm going to say your microphone volume up and down. This is your accompaniment volume, so your karaoke volume up and down. And the center button is a fun little mode button. You can switch to a man's voice, a woman's voice, a child's voice, and some kind of wizard voice. I don't quite get it, but it's fun. It is definitely fun. I'll show you later. This is the EQ, so you can change your different modes: studio, natural. You have concert hall, so you can change the modes while you're having instead of reaching back to the actual SUDOTACK itself here. You can do it manually here as well, but it's just quicker on the fly right here on your microphone. It's a nice little microphone. I'm glad they gave you two. So anyway, so let's get into the actual SUDOTACK. Let me move it over here so we can get into the frame. All right, now we're in focus. Got a lot of sunlight today, so that's good and bad. Anyway, so let's start off. The right-hand side, this is your power button. So you hold it for 2 seconds, it powers on. And then on the, well, I guess we'll go from this side this way. So your mode button switches your mode. You have different modes. We're in Bluetooth mode right there. All right, so when you power it on, you need to pick what mode you want. You want TF card, which is in the back. You have a USB flash, you have a coaxial, you have a line in. So if you're bringing in, taking a sound, and you also have HDMI ARC. Bluetooth is the one I would expect most people to use. That's what I would use. So all you to do is just switch it to Bluetooth mode. It goes into pairing mode automatically. Grab your phone, and it's called Music Capsule, and that's it. And then it'll connect automatically. It's easy. If you need to disconnect it, say you have two phones, you want to disconnect it, just hold the power pause button for 3 seconds. It'll disconnect the currently paired phone. That's it. It's easy. Of course, you have a record button play. This is for if you're going to use a flash card, if you can see here. So if you're going to put a flash card or USB into the machine, you can record your karaoke if you want to. That's a nice feature. You also have a line in for another microphone, and second, you can have 4 microphones, really. You can have 1, 2, and then 2 wireless, but of course you have to have your own, and it would be a line-in jack. Then you have your USB power if you just want to power it directly USB-C or recharge this. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Your battery supply is right there. You get 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on number 1 right now, so I'm running low on battery. I never charged it. It came out of the box with 2. I've been playing with it, so obviously I'm down to 1. And finally, you have your LED, well, I'm going to say your little fun display. So on the top, you have 2 indicators. You have the left one and the right one. So this one will let you cycle through them. There's 9 modes. So I'm going to say this is the default mode, nothing. And then there's the first mode, your second mode, your third, well, you know what, let's see, there we go. First mode, let's go to the first mode. First mode is nothing. There's a mode right there. Of course, it goes with the music, so there's no music playing at the moment. And it's nice. It gives you a little visual. And you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. There we go. Very nice little unit. I got to say, I do like it. This is really cool. I'm going to show you in a second, but I just wanted to go over all the features. So let's have some fun and try to sing a song. I'm going to try anyways, just for you guys. Okay, let's get to it. All right, guys. Okay, so here we are with the SUDOTACK, the KM-300 again, and let's go over it. So the microphone is already connected, and you can kind of hear it. I'm sure the lav mic is picking up on the reverb of this, but either way, works really well. I like it. It's nice. I'm going to play a song for you. So this has I want to say little, what do we call them? Cat ears. Cat ears. You can just drop it right there to hold the phone if you like. So I'm going to turn it around because I need to see the lyrics coming up to actually sing a song for you. It's going to be It Ain't Over Till It's Over, and that's kind of ironic for the song, for the video, because it'll be over quick. Trust me, there's no way I'm going to sing all the way through this thing. So anyways, I'm going to hit play, and it's going to kick in. Oh, volume's awfully high. Drop the volume down a little bit there for you. So I'm going to read the lyrics off of here, obviously, and you are going to just, I guess, pick up how it works. It's a nice karaoke machine. I can just hold this here, of course, or I can put it on the stand and walk away from it, so I don't need to be near the machine. So it's great. It has 2, 1. Here we are, still together. I don't know the lyrics, unfortunately. We are. I picked the song. I don't know the lyrics. Let's see. I say, so much time wasted playing games. Oh, I jumped ahead. I'm not a karaoke person. I'm going to get used to this machine, though. So many tears I've cried, so much pain inside. But baby, it ain't over till it's over. That's it, guys. I can't go much more than that. You guys will just turn this thing off right away. But I want to say this is a fun machine, and this is going to be a lot of fun for Christmas. I don't know if I can turn the volume down from. I can't tell which way to side. There we go. Okay, so this is a lot of fun. I like it. The KM-300, great machine. Two wireless mics. Easy to set up, fun to use. I don't know if I'll get a strike for using this music. I'm using the karaoke music, but I don't know. YouTube is weird. Anyways, that's a side thing. I don't care. I don't make money off of this thing. They can strike it. Doesn't matter. Anyways, I recommend it. It's fun. It's handy. It's portable. You just pick it up. Good to go. Take it to the party. I'm actually going to go to a party tonight, so I'm going to take it with me. I'll leave it in the car, and have a couple shots of whiskey, and next thing you know, we'll be doing some karaoke. Guaranteed. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one, and have a great day, and have a wonderful Sunday, or Saturday, sorry, Saturday. I'm gonna go for a bike ride because it's about 55 degrees in Maryland, and it's never this warm. So it's time for me to go for a motorcycle ride. Okay, I'll see you. Take care.